Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Apple just announced their iPhones for 2018 and they're in the talks everywhere. The iPhone XS, XS Max and the iPhone XR. You guys must have seen tons and tons of videos, blog posts, articles and whatnot on these new iPhones. They are literally everywhere. And today I wanted to talk about a particular topic that is very important, and I've realized this just a couple of months ago that we should not be spending so much on our smartphones. And today I'm going to give you very logical reasons why you shouldn't buy the iPhones this year. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay, so starting off, Apple launched three new phones this year: the iPhone XS, XS Max and the iPhone XR. The XR being the cheapest of the lot, and people are saying that this is going to be the phone for everyone. But they don't realize that the iPhone XR is cheaper as compared to the iPhone XS. It is not cheaper as compared to something like the OnePlus 6 and the Poco F1. It is way more expensive than both these phones, and it is kind of crazy. Like, people are saying that this is a cheap iPhone, Apple is finally doing what the customer wants and all these things, but I do not agree on that, because the iPhone XR is still a very expensive phone with a very bad display, because that display is not even 1080p. It is a little over 720p, and people are going crazy over that phone. Like, I don't know why, but people are saying that the iPhone XR is going to be the one, it's going to sell like hot cakes and something like that. But that's the case only in US. Like, in US the iPhone XR is actually affordable. I agree on that. $750, okay, it's a good price tag and people can buy it. But in India it is way more expensive. It is going to be somewhere around 70,000 rupees, which is crazy. Like, 70,000 for a phone is not worth it at all. It is double the price of the OnePlus 6 and it is almost 3 times the price of the Poco F1. But still, it is very expensive, and I would not recommend any of you guys to buy the new iPhones, because if we buy the iPhones right now, then it will only motivate Apple to increase the price next year. Like, they're just going to keep increasing the price and they're just going to fill their pockets. Their margins are huge, and I don't think that this is the way to go, because smartphones are the things which can easily break, they can easily get lost, and they're the most expensive things in our lives. Like, we spend a lot on our smartphones, like without even realizing it. We spend the most money on our smartphones, which is crazy. And I realized this a couple of months ago that we shouldn't be spending so much on a phone, because it can easily get lost or it can easily break, as I mentioned. So we should spend wisely, and nowadays budget phones are getting way better. Like, the Poco F1 and OnePlus 6 are prime examples of this. Like, you don't have to spend a lot of money to get a good smartphone, because there was a huge difference between flagships and budget phones earlier. But as we move forward, that difference is getting very small, and with the launch of the Poco F1, that difference is like this small. Like, maybe in a couple of years flagships are going to be for people only who have a lot of money lying around. Like, they don't know what to do with their money. Only those people are going to buy iPhones and the Notes and something like the Pixels, something like that. So, but anyway, getting back to the iPhones, I would say that these are not really upgrades over the iPhone 10. It is just like minor upgrades, S upgrades, and they have not reduced the price as well. In fact, they've increased the price. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. And the 512GB model of the iPhone XS Max is going to be over 1.5 lakhs in India, which is bonkers. Like, 1.5 lakhs for a phone. Are you kidding me? Never. Like, you should never do that. Never spend that much money on a smartphone. And I hope that you're understanding what I'm trying to say over here. Like, the iPhones are actually not worth it this year. Like, the event was good, the promo video was next level, and everything seemed very good in the event. But post that, I don't think that these phones are worth it. So anyway, I just hope that you understand this point, and if you agree with me, please let me know about that in the comment section below. And also in the poll, in the I button over here, I'm going to put a poll. If you agree with me, please go ahead and vote over there. Also, if you have any more points to add to this video, then always the comment section is open for you. Please go ahead, comment over there. I love to reply to comments. I love to read comments. That's why please hang out in the comment section down below. So anyway, that's been it. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, by the way, in case I did not mention that, please subscribe below. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you.